How to change app icons on iPhone. Go ahead and open up the Shortcuts application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the top right corner and tap on the plus icon to create a new shortcut. Then, select Open App below the search bar and tap on App. Here, you can search for or scroll down to the Find app that you're looking for and tap on it. For example, Settings. Over here, go to the bottom panel and tap on the Share icon. You can view all the sharing options available here. Select Add to Home Screen. You can now change the shortcut photo from here if you want. Select the photo icon and then tap on Choose Photo. Here, select a photo from your camera roll and then tap on Choose below. After that, tap on Add at the top right corner. As you can see, this shortcut will now appear on your home screen. Tap on the shortcut to open your settings. Following these steps, you can easily change app icons on iPhone.